All right, so here we are looking at the glove box on a 2006 Toyota Tacoma. What we're going to be doing is the cabin air filter, and it is located behind the glove box. All right, so we want to go ahead and pull our glove box down. We have two little holders on the side. We just want to kind of fold our container inwards and it'll fall down. And then as we start lowering it, our hinges will pop out. All right, so they're just half round hinges. All right, so here's our cabin air filter. All right, so we have a couple little latches. Just want to pull it down. Our filter. All right, so that's what we're going to kind of rotate it around. Okay, we see airflow, and I can't make out the arrow. All right, so now we have our new filter. There we can see our airflows, a little better direction. All right, so not real sure. We know the letters were facing upwards. Can't make out the arrow there. But it looks like the part numbers are, well, not even missing some numbers, but we'll go ahead and match it up. Everything looks good. You can definitely tell the difference. All right, so we're going to go airflow downward. And the reason why I say that on this is our recirc door. And if I look up here, I can see our fresh air door, our blower motor. Our blower motor blows into our evaporator, which is over here. So that kind of tells us the airflow goes that way. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in this way. I know a lot of people argue which way these things go. Well, it's in there now. But basically, there's not anything different between one way to the other way. So let's see, you can see the debris is on that side, not on this side. When we took this one out, letters were upwards. Our debris is there. So we know the airflow is coming downward. So that's the way we put our airflow downwards. But it really doesn't matter. It's the same filter on both sides. It's the same materials throughout. All right, so we'll just go ahead and close our door up. All right, make sure it's closed. Now we can go ahead and latch our hinges on. All right, and we're all set.